Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls, let's salute the nation. On this day, today we have gathered over here to celebrate a monumental day in our nation's history. This is a day when we remember of the sacrifices made by the countless individuals who fought for the freedom and dignity we enjoy today. It is a day of pride, a day of reflection and a day of celebration. On this day, many years ago, our forefathers immunized a nation that stood for its liberty, power and justice. They dreamed of a land where everyone had the right to pursue their happiness free from training and oppression. Today, we honor their vision and reform our commitment to upholding these ideals. As we reflect to our past, we must also look to the future. Our nation is built on the strength of its people, and it's our responsibility to ensure that the torch of the freedom continues to burn brightly. We must strive to create a society where every individual can thrive, where creativity and innovation are encouraged and where diversity is celebrated. देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम, कोई पूछेगा कौन हो तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम, भारतीय हैं हम. Patriotism is not just about waving a flag, but it's all about its call to impress our differences, to stand united in every face of challenges, and to strive for the progress in every sphere of life. Patriotism is a deep love and respect for our country. It's all about being grateful from where we come from and to be pride from where we come from and the opportunities and the freedoms we have. It's more than waving a flag or singing a national anthem. Being patriotism means caring for our community, respecting our differences, and to stand united and to work together to make our country even a better place for everyone. Voting is one of the important ways we can show our patriotism, by which voting is the one method by which we can show and we can help to shape our future of our India. In closing, I wish each and every one of you has a beautiful and meaningful Independence Day. हिमालय जिसका ताज है जहाँ बहती है गंगा, हिमालय जिसका ताज है जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है. So let's celebrate our freedom with the pride and look forward to the future filled with the hope and promises. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.